Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll delve into the complexities of marrying a foreign citizen as a U.S. green card holder. From understanding the challenges to exploring viable options, stay tuned for some valuable insights and advice. The main complication that arises from marrying a foreign citizen as a U.S. green card holder is that you cannot sponsor your spouse for immediate green card processing. This is reserved for U.S. citizens only, which leads to significant wait times, especially for citizens from certain countries, such as India. There are a few options to consider when looking to marry a foreign citizen as a green card holder in the U.S. First, entering on a visitor visa, B1, B2, is seen as a high-risk move. If your intention is to marry and immigrate, it could be considered visa fraud, which has dire consequences. Furthermore, a green card holder cannot sponsor a spouse for adjustment of status from a visitor visa, meaning your spouse would need to return to their home country. More reliable is the option to marry in the foreign citizen's home country, and then file Form I-130, Petition for Alien Relative, from the U.S. This requires an interview process, but avoids the risk of visa fraud, providing a clear legal path. Once you obtain U.S. citizenship, processing time is significantly reduced. Lastly, utilizing an F1 student visa is an indirect route. Though it might seem helpful at first, it doesn't promise a quicker green card, and involves additional requirements and possible wait times. When considering marrying a foreign citizen as a green card holder, it's pivotal to weigh in some key considerations. First and foremost, be prepared for lengthy delays in the immigration process. The current wait time for Indian citizens, for instance, is quite notable and subject to variation. Additionally, due to the complexities involved, it is strongly advised that you consult an experienced immigration attorney. Lastly, obtaining U.S. citizenship as quickly as possible accelerates the process because your spouse would then qualify for immediate relative status, thereby expediting processing. Let's test your understanding with a quick question. Which option is considered the most reliable and ethically sound for marrying a foreign citizen? Entering on a visitor visa, spousal sponsorship from India, F1 student visa, or waiting 90 days to marry? You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is spousal sponsorship from India. This is seen as the most reliable and ethically sound approach because it entails marrying in the foreign citizen's home country and beginning the sponsorship process from the U.S. This method is not only legal but also mitigates the risk of visa fraud. Based on our exploration, the best approach is to marry your partner in their home country. This approach provides a clear legal route to spousal sponsorship from the U.S. While this does involve a period of temporary separation, it offers a legal path forward. Meanwhile, working towards obtaining your U.S. citizenship can further expedite the process. Before we conclude, we must emphasize that the information in this video is meant for educational purposes and is not a substitute for professional legal advice. Immigration laws can be complex and subject to change, so always consult with a qualified immigration attorney for personalized advice relevant to your specific situation. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video insightful, please hit that like button and share it with others who might benefit from it. Also, do subscribe to stay updated with our latest content, and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below.